Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm sharing my chicken zucchini frittata recipe. This is my go-to protein meal, so I make it often. And use what you like, but I'm going to use my leftover chicken breast, and I've also listed the ingredients on the description below. So let's get started. I'm no Gordon Ramsay, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide this sucker onto a lid safely so that I don't burn myself and get one of those degree burns. Um, Once I add a little bit of olive oil, I just go ahead and add it right back in and fry the other side. Let's do some green beans. Let's do some green beans. I like some green beans. You like some green beans? Who likes some green beans? I like some green beans. So there it is, guys. Crisp zucchini and greens, tender chicken and eggs. It's just really a cheesy, flavorful combination. I really hope you try it and enjoy it. So definitely like and subscribe, and please stay tuned for more easy and healthy recipes. I upload them weekly. So until then, bye guys.
Oh my god, that's so freaking good.